Adebayo Ojo, a senior advocate of Nigeria, was called to the Nigerian bar in 1978. I was barely 10 years. After graduating from the University of Lagos, Nigeria, in 1977, he obtained LLM, Masters of Law, from the London School of Economics, University of London, in 1982, and later got admitted as a solicitor of the Supreme Court of England and Wales, and went on to obtain a diploma in international arbitration from the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators in London. After undertaking the mandatory National Youth Service at the Ministry of Justice, Enugu, in the then old Anambra State, now comprising of today's Enugu, Ebonyi, and Anambra States, he joined the services of the Kwara State Ministry of Justice, Ilorin, as a state counsel. He left the services of the Ministry of Justice in 1983 to set up the law firm of, to join the law firm of Oniyagi and Co. as head of chambers. Thereafter, he left the firm in 1985 to set up the new firm, the law firm of Adebayo Ojo and Company, where he has been in active commercial law, international law, litigation, mediation, arbitration, and alternative dispute resolution practice. I am proud to inform you today that that law firm is now 40 years old. He has acted as sole arbitrator, member of arbitration panels, and as counsel in numerous domestic and international arbitrations, both at the International Chamber of Commerce, Paris, ICC, International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, Washington, D.C., ICSID, the American Arbitration Association, AAA, and the London Court of International Arbitration, LCIA. Over the last 40 years, involving complex oil and gas, investments, joint ventures, construction, infrastructure, concessions, public-private partnerships, power, mining, and commercial ventures. He has also acted as expert witness in international arbitrations. He has mediated on several disputes as well. Chief Adebayo Ojo is a past president of the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA. Proudly, sir, I'm a member. Past chairman of the Nigerian Legal Aid Council and the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, Nigerian branch. Council member of the section on energy and natural resources. Law of the International Bar Association, a member of the ICSID panel of arbitrators, Washington, D.C., a member of the panel of the Permanent Court of Arbitration, Hague, Netherlands, alternate chairman of panel of Permanent Court of Arbitration, Hague, Netherlands, alternate chairman of UNESCO Appeals Board in Paris, a member of the Board of Trustees of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, London, president of the African Users Council of the London Court of International Arbitration, LCIA, and the president of the African Arbitration Association. Is an expert member of the Chinese International Commercial Court, CICC, and the board of the Cairo Regional Center for International Commercial Arbitration. A round of applause here. He's a chartered arbitrator, a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Mediators and Conciliators, ICMC, and the Institute of Construction Industry Arbitrators, ICI, ARB. He is also a fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Advanced Legal Studies and a patron of the Nigerian Society of International Law and International Law Association, Nigerian branch. He is the editor-in-chief of the Nigerian Journal of Arbitration and Mediation, NIJM, and African Journal of Arbitration and Mediation, AJAM. He is the co-author of the Handbook of Arbitration and ADB Practice in Nigeria. He has over the years spoken at many workshops, seminars, and delivered numerous public lectures, both within and outside Nigeria. In 2005, he was appointed as Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice of the Republic of Nigeria. As Attorney General, AG, he embarked on the first ever prison decongestion exercise in Nigeria, where thousands of inmates who had been incarcerated for so many years without trial were released from detention in collaboration with the National Assembly. He was able to ensure the passage of some critical bills like the Central Bank Act and the Fiscal Responsibility Act into law. In 2006, he was elected into the prestigious United Nations International Law Commission in Geneva, Switzerland, for 5 years, where he contributed to the codification of international law. Along with the Boundary Commission of Nigeria, he also contributed to the extension of Nigeria's continental shelf. Some professional appointments: member, National Elections Petitioner Tribunal of Nigeria, 1992. Member, Council of Legal Education of Nigeria, 1992. Chairman, Kwara State Election Appeals Tribunal, 1995. Chairman, Legal Aid Council of Nigeria, 1999 to 2004. President, Nigerian Bar Association, MBA, 2004 to 2005. Patron, Nigerian Society of International Law, 2006 to date. Council member, Section on Energy, Environment, and Natural Resources, Law of the Chairman, Law of the International Bar Association, 2008-2014. Chairman, Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, Nigerian Branch, 2009 to 2010. Member, ICSID Panel of Arbitrators, Washington, D.C., 2008 to 2015. Member, Permanent Court of Arbitration, Hague, Netherlands, 2018 to 2023. Member, Board of Trustees of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, London, 2011 to 2018. President, African Users Council, London Court of International Arbitration, London, 2013 to 2019. Alternate Chairperson, United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organizations, UNESCO, 2014 to 2018. President, African Bar Association, FAA, 2018 to 2022. Editor-in-Chief of the Nigerian Journal of Arbitration and Mediation, NJAM. Editor-in-Chief of African Journal of Arbitration and Mediation, AJAM. Co-author of Handbook of Arbitration and ADR Practice in Nigeria. Membership of some professional associations: International Bar Association, International Insolvency Association, Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, London, Institute of Construction Arbitrators of Nigeria, Institute of Chartered Mediators and Conciliators of Nigeria, London Court of International Arbitration, Nigerian Bar Association, Maritime Arbitration Association of Nigeria, African Arbitration Association, American Society of International Law, hobbies: reading, traveling, community work, and playing golf. Chancellor, ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to present Chief Christopher Adebayo Ojo. Thank you. I have the instruction of the recipient to announce that he's happily married with children. Thank you very much. And I did my law practice in the office of Professor Folari in the chamber in Ibadan.
By the power vested in me as Chancellor and by the authority of Senate and Council, I confer you the degree of Doctor of Public Law, honorary Council of Federal University, Oye-Ekiti. Congratulations, sir.
People of the Fountain,